I know. I haven't been down there for a while though.
Yeah.
You stashing any goodies for me now? Look at Raina. You should see this Tonka truck for Michaela. Look. Friendly, can you go to the car and get my phone real quick, please? What's up?
Yeah, I got the story. He has a whole thing on his desk. It's falling out of it.
Oh, what's funny?
Garfield?
I was going to come over and use it. And then his brother called and said he's mom and he like, what are you feeling? He started breathing.
Oh, pink eye.
He's in his 60s. He's about 2 years old.
This? This?
Look at this.
Stop.
Raina.
Yeah.
Look at the Mickey race car.
That Mickey's on her car.
That is old.
What? What is it?
My mom got mad at her because she don't like Baden's poison. She got apparently fire around since that
Thanks.
I'm sorry, but I didn't wear it. I walked in like But then I thought everybody gave me a hard time, but then I did. But
Can
I wouldn't be surprised if that was
I, Dad?
No.
Oh.
even if those masks didn't work, they still didn't work. They didn't wear them. They were underneath your seat, your car.
professional doctors say that has a long time wearing them.
That's pretty cool, Raina.
See those ET cups
Where?
right in front of you? Right in front of you.
What's up, brother?
How are you? These are from Pizza Hut.
With my local,
I know. I haven't been down there for a while though.
Yeah.
You stashing any goodies for me now?
yeah, I mean, I'm sure they got that Puma. It's kind of, I think it's not, it looks dirty, but I think it's sort of dragged up out of the face. But I think you got all my shirts.
So far. Actually, that's a nice shirt.
Yeah. That was less.
Yeah. You remember his last name?
Curry.
You any other yard sales today? I think it
We
was-
did. We were over. Is there any more in Ambridge?
Nah, the guy by even my Christmas, he's having one tomorrow, but he always has it on 4th Street there, by the Maple there.
Yeah.
He's having one big.
Not today though.
Nah, he was just here buying stuff. He's a reseller. I don't take care of it.
We were over. We went over to El Equipa today. Fatima Church had one.
Oh yeah, you get anything over there?
No, please. It was 100 people. There was 1,000 people there. It was
Really?
packed.
Well, this lady, my friend used to take pictures of my watches and stuff down in
Yeah.
Coriopolis, and I know she takes all the jewelry down there before to sell. I thought if they're doing that, then
There's a few over in El Equipa. It wasn't too much. It wasn't. There was nothing to write home about today though.
There's a garage sale off of Phillips Street. It's on Berry Street.
That's a state
Baden.
sale. That's a state sale.
But yeah, there's.
Yeah. I was actually. He let me shop early this week, so
Oh, okay.
yeah, it was okay. Picked up some stuff. There's one over off of Harmony Road too. I just didn't know if there was anything else in Ambridge
I
today.
didn't see anything else. this.
They have clue.
That is interesting.
They have clue, but they don't have the Dr. Orchid. Mom,
Because it could
I
be.
want these.
What?
What Michaela
What do you got,
has.
Michaela? What are you holding?
mustard, garlic, white, plum.
Here.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
Flip this over real quick.
Ew, and then blue people.
Flip this game over real quick so I can scan it. Flip it over. Find a barcode on it. Is there a barcode? What's it called?
It's called Michigan Rummy. Bailey, put it in.
Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage.
I'll take these two.
What are those Steeler buttons?
It's a little like,
Does one of the girls need a new bike helmet? Air Tracks American.
put that down, Michaela.
A lot of stuff is from down the store.
I'll take this stuff too. You got such nice stuff there. Oh, these are cute. Lord, love something like that.
I wonder if your dad would like this.
Thank you anyways.
Abe Bush. Bush is president. No.
He's trying to steer clear of extra stuff. Look at this.
There you go.
Kodak moment.
Yeah, this
Look at
is
this.
cool.
Look at this cool. Look at this cool
Could go with my shirt.
patriotic mugs. Yeah.
I got it with Mom, I got it with
Look at a CD player.
Yeah, I know. I do well with this. There's an ice crusher.
I saw that.
That's interesting.
Mom, look at that.
Yeah, I saw that.
Off the beans, Easter pants, this, monopoly, leaving the
I'm
white.
trying to find like some big pearls.
What about the silver ones?
No, wait, look, it's this.
What about that bag?
Wait, all about coffee. Look at that. This is the dad. Dad.
Oh,
Is this a pin or an earring?
yeah. An earring.
Oh, stop. You're making.
Put it down.
Did
Girls.
you say that's what this one is too? This plastic one?
Yeah. Put it back, Michaela.
Our dog passed away 2 days ago today, and I go in there and I'm like, looking for me.
Oh, your dog's sorry.
They want a very lot of people and a very lot of dogs. And this is them dogs are doing some of them people.
I know.
That's why I thought that.
I have 2 cats, but they're decluttered. One's dying and one's dead.
He was suffering. I hate to put it down.
The hardest thing for me was go tug on my mom at 3 o'clock. That was 2 years ago. And she's like, and then I thought she didn't have a
Okay, was that it? Come here, Michaela. We need those cups.
We have to pay
I have to
for
pay for them. Can you come up here with me so we can pay for them? Come on, you can carry them. Come on.
Drugs become like a family to you.
As soon as you see that, you think about it.
Okay.
Yeah, drugs
She
become
has-
family to you.
She has those 3 cups right there. Got that shirt, this Tupperware thing, whatever it is. This bag here, and then a couple pins.
$7 already?
That works.
That's my nephew's toy. You want to buy it for me? He thinks everything's worth $1 million.
There you go.
Thank
Yeah, I stopped down your place. I drove by Thursday.
Yeah, I think that was a large dog guy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll try to get back.
Maybe I put him down Thursday.
I haven't been down there in a few weeks, so I'll try to get back down there this week and.
I might be opening up another extra day, which I used to
Okay.
be open 6 days a week, but you know, like 2 of the days was a waste of time anyway.
Exactly. No, that's fine. I'll get down there though and see if you have anything new.
Thanks.
So-
What's your name? Great.
Mike.
Mike.
Yep.
Thanks. I
So-
got you on my
Yeah.
email if I ever get a bunch of shirts.
If you ever get something, let me know.
Okay, Mike. Thanks.
Sounds good. Thank you.